Today I'm making a love and heart sign for my front door. I already painted the love word and sanded it. As you'll see the frayed edges, and I used that white Rust-Oleum paint. I'm a fan of Rust-Oleum. And I'm going to take the love word after it's painted white, and I'm going to take some blush pink paint, which is my own color, but I know there's other colors like it similar. Off camera, I took the pink heart because I'm putting in the middle and used wood filler to fill the holes. You can use hot glue, people use spackle, whatever you'd want to use to fill your holes. And then I'm doing dry brushing. I do dry brushing on all three of the hearts. Do a little wipe down so it kind of fills in the little crevices of the wood grain. And then you know me, sand, sand, sand. I even sand the middle so that all the little frays are taken care of. And now we'll glue all three of the hearts together, and you'll see that the middle pink heart covers the other two holes. And then the other empty holes I'm going to use the hanger with. I'm using some Aleene's tacky glue because I happen to be out of E6000. If I were selling this, I would definitely E6000 it. And here we are putting it together. And then we're going to take the love word, use some more Aleene's and a little more hot glue to get it to stick. And then after this, I take it and set it aside and put some weight on it because there is some of the Aleene's. I also take a little bit of hot glue and do it on the back of the hearts too, just to stabilize it a little bit more. And you'll see I'm going to add one of these pearly type garland strands, and I just do a little twist there so it holds it in place. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and check out my Valentine's playlist if you'd like to see more Valentines.